stuck fast. There's an avalanche that closed the road. We can't make it back to our truck, so we're gonna be in Atlanta for a little longer.
That's what we're told to work.
Atlanta, Ohio.
Atlanta, Ohio.
Yeah. Loading up, going sledding for the weekend to Atlanta. Let's go see Uncle Johnny. It's gonna be good because it's snowing and it's President's Day weekend, so Kevin gets the day off because he's a government worker, and I decided I would take the day off too because why not? So, we'll take you guys with us. That's when we planned on leaving. We did it. We're out of here. Let's see how long it takes us because it's still snowing. Some other friends of ours said that there's like 3 inches on the freeway. It hasn't been cleaned up. We're gonna be finding out. Look like they plowed this road yet either.
Good old fall drive and new tires.
Yeah, off we go. We made it a mile. And we're seeing our first casualty. We will be doing our best to keep ourselves off that list. People probably following too closely.
Looks like just past us.
Oh, slick roads, winter driving. Don't use cruise control. That is a good tip.
Oh, so I should turn it off now?
Yeah. All right, we finally made it. And we're getting ready to go, which means I need to pack up this camera, so we'll see you on the helmet cam.
The next day.
Good morning. We had fun on the poker ride yesterday and we made it up to Uncle Johnny's. We're just getting ready to go riding for the day and head back up top. We heard that there was an avalanche last night. Doesn't sound like anybody was stuck in it, but some sleds couldn't get back over to Featherville. So we'll go up, see what that's about. Maybe make a fire and hang out and have a good day because it's Sunday. And we have tomorrow off because it's President's Day. So, hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend. We'll see you at the top. We're in Johnny's secret money spot. Alright, boys. Do something cool.
We'll be hidden. Jump something, Jason.
Oh! Good thing I had the camera out.
The next day.
Day 3. It's dumping. And it's deep.
It is deep.
We're stuck, so let's just play.
How deep, you ask?
Pretty deep.
Stuck fest. There's an avalanche that closed the road. We can't make it back to our truck, so we're gonna be in Atlanta for a little longer.
That's what we're telling work.
Atlanta, Ohio.
Atlanta, Ohio.
Yep.
I can see it right now.
Oh. Yes. Woo! Had the camera on for that one. Oh, okay.
This trail goes way up the river. It's actually kind of a new, cool area. Just follow the leader through the trees on the way back there. And
Yeah. Sounds good.
That's how you did it. We'll report back to you when it's not snowing so hard, because it's gonna get the camera all wet, but
I wonder if
we're having fun.
he's the gang leader. Isn't there usually...
We're going to the hot tubs.
We don't have our labs, we have 3 other ones.
Yeah. We got enough dogs. This thing is badass.
Boringly slow, but
It is, but it is a party wagon.
Got a ride up here with the Clarks and the short bus. We're gonna go swimming.
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 don't pull it.
Swimming.
Sponsored by Carl Cycle.
Thanks to Carl Cycle Sales for getting us here.
$8,000 mug I bought.
Yeah, that's an $8,000 cup.
They gave me a free dirt bike with it, but knock the drain out.
What was that?
I think the last time I checked with everybody was on Monday, maybe. And we were snowmobiling because we took that day off anyways. We're still here and it is Wednesday evening. Uncle Johnny is back from work. So we're gonna try to clear out the driveway. It sounds like we might be able to get out tomorrow, maybe Friday. The ways of the world, but look, if you're gonna be stuck, this is where we're at. Ohio is beautiful. We'll check back and let you know our progress as we go. Well, I hate to say it, but the time has come. The groomer came and we're officially able to get out. So we're going home. We got lucky and Johnny and Cindy took good care of us, so I guess it's time to go, babe.
Yeah.
We have to go dig our truck out on the other side.
Yeah. It's okay, we're going to Dave's cabin now, so
Yeah.
we're not going home yet.
It's Friday now, so we might as well push it one more day as long as Mom doesn't kill me for having the dogs for a week, but get her a bottle of wine or something. Thanks, Mommy, for watching them. So, we'll see you on the helmet cam.
Let me know, do you feel me too? Let it show, 'cause babe, I'm into you. We've been on and off, in and out, up and down, too many times.
A little bit better than when we came up with that thing, though.
Yeah.
With the cooler.
Cool, man.
Stuck in the mountains, day 7. Coming at you. Today's project, go get that Jeep unstuck. Right there, that Jeep. Didn't quite make her up here. But holy smokes, what a beautiful day! See you down there. Look at Dave's supplies. See what happens.
What happened to me?
Well, when I started
100
getting
yards
off in
farther
there,
up, huh?
Yeah, well, when I started getting off in there, I was trying to get out of here. I mean, I
I know.
fucking...
If you'd have known what you were getting into,
Oh, yeah,
you'd have backed off and everything would have been fine.
If
Dave,
Nope.
what'd you do?
I couldn't see where I was going.
I can tell. Daryl to the rescue.
Well, it's the same thing. We've done it before. Just
Yeah.
like when it was frozen.
I've had
down there.
that problem I don't know how many times.
Daryl said he's done it 6. I've only done it 3.
Uh-huh.
Alright, okay, we're going to give her a shot.
You're high centered in the front.
Probably.
Actually,
Go forward a little bit, or?
try it. I don't know. Oh, you're about done.
More digging.
Yeah.
Oh, he's out of his hole. All that's left to do is pick all the shit back up and head to Daryl's and fix the Jeep now.
It'll only spin just so far. Need to get brake loose? I could go get you a serious wrench.
No.
He's got it now.
I've got a serious wrench right here.
Look up this.
Now, maybe what we need to do now, Daryl, is we'll lift it back up.
Yepper.
Jeep's fixed. Saturday, we've been here for a week, so we're going home now. At least we're leaving on a bright sunny day, because we're going home.